Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Samsung oven and you're getting an E-0A error. What is it and how to get rid of it? So the E-0A error is an error that indicates that your oven is overheating. So this could be one of two things really. It could be that your oven is overheating, or there is some kind of fault in the sensors that it is sensing that it's overheating even though it's not. So what you're going to want to do, first of all, is just make sure it is turned off and check the temperature sensor inside the oven and make sure that it's not burnt or none of the wires are not burnt or anything like that. And then if it's not that, then it's probably the control board or something like that that's allowing it to overheat and will need to be replaced, which you may be able to do yourself, or you might need to call out to have somebody do it for you. But anyways, if you're getting an E-0A, that basically means that your oven is overheating, or at the very least it thinks it's overheating. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.